Hello traders out there in Traderland. My name's Dez here at Grok Trade. It's Monday, January 28th, 2013. Well, Yahoo just came out with earnings and they beat, and shares right now are jumping higher after hours. And people are saying that Apple, or when I say people, I'm talking about Apple analysts, are thinking that the stock at its current price is at a steal. And right now it's at 450 bucks a share. Anyway, let's take a look here at the markets. What took place today? We had the S&P and Nasdaq, or the S&P and Dow rather, in bearish territory, but not by too much. S&P down 0.2% though, but the Nasdaq climbed higher, up 0.15%, and the Russell is up about the same. Banks also up 0.31%. However, for the majority of the day, the banks were actually in negative territory. But check this out, the VIX is on the rise big time, up 5.3%. We are now at 13.5, gang. Gold off by 0.22%. Silver off by 1.2%. Crude oil up 0.5%, and the US dollar up a fraction. Trend at 1.15. Question for you before we get into any charts: do you know how to use the trend in your trading, especially if you're a day trader or a very advanced swing trader? Do you know how to use the trend? Do you know how to read the VIX? Do you know how to use financials into your trading? Furthermore, do you know how to use net volume? Do you know how to also use the trend and how we use the chart? Or how about when we get into net volume on the Volt Q, or the Volt in this case? Or how about if we get into something like the issue, advances to decliners? These are all market internals, crucial to successful day trading and very advanced swing trading. You have to know that. We are doing a program tonight. Chances are, if you're watching this video, you may be too late, because we actually are kicking things off at 9 p.m. tonight, Monday, January 28th, Eastern Standard Time, 9 p.m. Eastern, 6 p.m. Pacific. If you have not signed up, but you want to, and it is before the time that I just said, make sure you go to the website and get signed up. All you do is go here, right here, click on Market Internals, go to Incoming Events, or upcoming events, click on that. You can get to this from any page. I just happen to be on the chat, and you'll come up with the page of information. It's 1 to 2 hours, and we're saying up to 2 hours. Depends on how many questions you all have, but anyway, it's 147 bucks. But if you use this special code 5grokstar.com, or not, just 5grokstar, and if you do that, you'll knock $50 off. It's only a $97 program, and I haven't done this in 2 years, so it's a long time since I've done this, and you'll want to pay attention. All right, check this out, the S&P. Now here's a major problem. We close at 1500. We have a tweezer top at about 1503. Big time tweezer top, almost a hanging man type reversal pattern. Gang, if we go lower than 1496 tomorrow, especially if we get a close there, expect a drop. We've gone up several days in a row. We are looking for a pullback. The question is, how far will it pull back? It is anybody's guess. So watch for a drop this week. I think the time has come for that to happen. We haven't seen these highs in 5 years, and we've had this nice rally. Things that go up always come down. I think now is the time for that to happen. If you look at the Nasdaq, it also has popped up, but it's stalling up here at these levels, really bad. And the VIX, like I said, is spiking. Look at this big rally last couple days. It's been down here at these low areas, sub 13. Now we're 13.6, and it looks like we're heading higher. When the VIX is low, it's time to go, and the markets may be set up for a big rally in the VIX. Gold here is at that major trend line that I've been talking about. We dojied out right on this thing. If we go higher here, if gold starts to rally, this is a buying opportunity big time. So be watching that. And I talked about Apple. They're saying this is a great buying opportunity down here at this low. Huge volume at this low area. This could be capitulation. That could be setting up for a nice buy. Facebook is on a tear. It just keeps going higher and higher and higher. Facebook is doing exceptionally well. Google hit its head at this resistance line, and as we thought, here is the drop, so expect a pullback here on Google. So, give you a lot to think about. Make sure that if you can, get signed up for tonight's a very exclusive, very rare, and very advanced, important class. If you can do that, we'd love to have you. Take care, spread the word, and we'll talk to you tomorrow.